Explain the goals of ethical guidelines in your word. The goals of ethical guidelines are to establish a framework for conducting activities, whether it's research, data analysis, or business practices, in a manner that upholds principles of integrity, fairness, and respect for individuals. These guidelines aim to ensure that all stakeholders involved in these activities adhere to ethical standards, promoting transparency, accountability, and responsible behavior. By setting clear expectations and standards, ethical guidelines seek to protect the rights and welfare of individuals, prevent harm, and maintain public trust in the integrity and credibility of the processes and outcomes. Ultimately, the goals of ethical guidelines are to foster a culture of ethical conduct, promote social responsibility, and contribute to the greater good of society. Describe the goals of data governance in your word. The goals of data governance encompass establishing a structured framework and practices to effectively manage and control an organization's data assets. This framework aims to ensure that data is accurate, reliable, secure, and accessible when needed, aligning with the organization's objectives and regulatory requirements. By defining roles, responsibilities, and processes for data management, data governance seeks to promote accountability, transparency, and consistency in data-related activities. Ultimately, the goals of data governance are to maximize the value of data assets, minimize risks associated with data management, and support informed decision-making, innovation, and compliance within the organization. What are the benefits of improved data quality? Improved data quality offers several benefits to organizations, including 1. Enhanced decision-making, 2. Increased operational efficiency, 3. Greater customer satisfaction, 4. Improved regulatory compliance, 5. Better business intelligence and analytics, 6. Reduced costs and risks, 7. Enhanced organizational reputation. What are the primary barriers to data governance success? The primary barriers to data governance success include 1. Lack of leadership support and ownership, 2. Limited resources and funding, 3. Organizational silos and fragmented ownership, 4. Data quality and integrity challenges, 5. Resistance to change and cultural barriers, 6. Complexity and scope of data ecosystem, 7. Regulatory and compliance requirements, 8. Lack of clear goals and metrics. What is the role of data quality in data science? What are the 6 dimensions to meet the data quality? Define any 2 dimensions. Answer. Improper data analysis is an ethical issue because it can result in publishing false or misleading conclusions. Data quality meets 6 dimensions: accuracy, completeness, uniqueness, validity, consistency, and timeliness. What is the meaning of private data and identity should remain private? Explain in detail. Answer. Private data of the customers and their identity must remain private and confidential. The term privacy does not mean confidentiality, as private information might be needed for auditing based on the requirements in the legal procedure. However, this private data should be acquired from an individual with full consent. It is also noted that the data should not be revealed for the utilization of other individuals or companies, allowing them to track their identity. What is data integrity? What are the methods to ensure data integrity? What are the common threats that can alter the state of data integrity? Data integrity can be defined as the reliability and trustworthiness of data. It specifies the state of your data that is valid or invalid, or the process of ensuring and preserving the validity and accuracy of data. Error checking and validation are common methods for ensuring data integrity. Common threats that can alter the state of data integrity include human error, unintended transfer errors, misconfigurations and security errors, malware, insider threats and cyber attacks, compromised hardware. Write the goals of ethical guidelines in your own words. The goals of ethical guidelines are to ensure that data analysis and research practices adhere to principles of integrity, transparency, fairness, and respect for individuals' rights and privacy. These guidelines aim to promote ethical conduct in data related activities, safeguard the welfare of participants and stakeholders, and maintain public trust in the integrity and reliability of research outcomes. 5 ethical guidelines built around data analysis include respect for privacy, data integrity, transparency, and accountability. Write the goals of ethical guidelines in your own words. Answer. The goals of ethical guidelines are to provide a framework for ensuring that all research, data analysis, and decision-making processes are conducted with integrity, fairness, and respect for individuals' rights and well-being. These guidelines aim to promote transparency, accountability, and responsible conduct in all aspects of data-related activities, including data collection, storage, analysis, and dissemination. By upholding ethical principles such as confidentiality, informed consent, and fairness, these guidelines seek to protect the rights and dignity of participants, minimize harm, and maintain public trust in the integrity and credibility of research outcomes. Ultimately, ethical guidelines serve to uphold ethical standards, foster a culture of ethical conduct, and ensure that data-driven practices contribute positively to society while avoiding potential risks and harm. What are 5 ethical guidelines built around data analysis? 5 ethical guidelines built around data analysis include respect for privacy, data integrity, transparency and accountability, fairness and impartiality, responsible use of data. What are the 4 major points involved in data governance framework? The 4 major points involved in a data governance framework are data ownership and stewardship, data quality management, data security and privacy, data access and usage. What is data governance? What is the need of data governance in data collection process? Data governance refers to the overall management and control of data assets within an organization. It encompasses the policies, processes, standards, and procedures that ensure the effective and responsible use of data to achieve business objectives while mitigating risks. Data governance involves defining roles and responsibilities, establishing rules and guidelines, implementing controls and safeguards, and promoting a culture of data stewardship and accountability throughout the organization. The need for data governance in the data collection process arises from several factors: data quality assurance, compliance and regulatory requirements, risk management, data integration and interoperability, data stewardship and accountability.